This is the Handyman Toolbox, exploring DIY home improvement outside the box.
Hello, I'm Rick Patterson, the creator and author of the content here on the Handyman Toolbox. I am so excited that you are a part of our community and also a viewer. All right, so I have so far over 13 million viewers since 2009. So in 2009, I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to establish my authority in the community that I was working in. So I was going door to door, knocking on doors like I'd done for years. And one fellow one time says, well, this is an impressive list of things that are being done by your company, but how do I know that you can do these things? And I thought, he's got a point. So that very next day I started with, I think it was December of 2009, I started with a camera just like the one I'm talking with you on now, and just did a kind of an HGTV, actually before it started, I believe, and just introduced myself just like I did, and just started showing folks what I was doing, going step by step on everything, showing just a method of doing this. While you're here, I sure would appreciate that you like, subscribe, comment, because I will comment back to you, and then share with your friends and family too as well. Got a lot of stories that I'll be sharing with you, but you know what? You're here to learn about DIY home improvement, and I'm here to share my knowledge with you of over 45 years in this industry. All right, see you next time. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to check out my other videos, and you'll see a link below. Click on it. The 1,000th person that subscribes to TheHandymanToolbox.com gets a free tool. Go ahead and register now. See you there.